Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses east central New Mexico and parts of northwestern Texas. Cities in today's slate include Amarillo, Texas, Clovis, New Mexico, Plainview, Texas, Hereford, Texas, and Canyon, Texas. And we have two marginals today, One marginal today covers south central Colorado, much of New Mexico, western Texas, and far southwestern Oklahoma. Another marginal today covers eastern Texas, far northwestern Louisiana, far southeastern Oklahoma, parts of Arkansas, parts of Missouri, much of Illinois, much of Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and much of Michigan. Cities in today's marginals include Houston, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Austin, Texas, and Albuquerque, New Mexico. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses east central New Mexico and northwestern Texas. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Clovis, New Mexico, Hereford, Texas, Las Vegas, New Mexico, Port Tails, New Mexico, and Tucumcari, New Mexico. Going to the wind threat for today, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses east central New Mexico and northwestern Texas. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Amarillo, Texas, Clovis, New Mexico, Plainview, Texas, Hereford, Texas, and Canyon, Texas. And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covers south central Colorado, much of New Mexico, western Texas, and far southwestern Oklahoma. And the other 5% wind risk area today covers eastern Texas, far northwestern Louisiana, much of Arkansas, parts of southeast Oklahoma, parts of Missouri, parts of Illinois, much of Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and much of Michigan. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas today include Houston, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Austin, Texas, and Albuquerque, New Mexico. Going to the hail threat today, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses east central New Mexico and northwestern Texas. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include Amarillo, Texas, Clovis, New Mexico, Hereford, Texas, Canyon, Texas, and Port Tails, New Mexico. And finally, we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses south central Colorado, much of New Mexico, western Texas, and far southwestern Oklahoma. Cities in the 5% hail risk area today include Albuquerque, New Mexico, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Lubbock, Texas, Pablo, Colorado, and Midland, Texas. So, in summary, isolated severe thunderstorms are possible later this afternoon into the evening across portions of the southern high plains. Hail and wind are the primary concerns. Sorry, I'm a little scratchy. Locally damaging winds may accompany convection that develops from the lower Great Lakes into eastern Texas. So, that's the Day 1 Outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight. And before you go to bed tonight, have something to alert you at night, tonight, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone, because a severe weather threat could go into tonight. And if possible, sleep in your safe room tonight. So anyway, stay safe today, and even the marginal. Stay safe in the affected areas today, even in the marginal, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms, and my day 2 outlook will come out later. It will come out after the afternoon update from the SPC. Take care.